Hello and welcome to Sirius and the Sun by Shayla, Aislinn, Riley, and Jazzy. The star Sirius A is the brightest star in the night sky. It can be seen by looking into the constellation Canis Major. The name Sirius comes from the ancient Greek word Sirius. Sirius A is actually part of a binary star system with a white dwarf called Sirius B. Sirius is a red giant. It also has the elements 1 to 28 on the periodic table. The Sun is a main sequence star that is mainly hydrogen and helium. The age of Sirius is 250 million years old, while the Sun is 4.6 billion years old. The diameter of Sirius is about 1.8 million miles wide, and the Sun's diameter is 864,938 miles wide. Sirius is over twice the size of the Sun and also 20 times brighter than our Sun. The Sun is actually white, but when it passes into Earth's atmosphere, it becomes the yellow-orange we see. Sirius's color is white and blue. Sirius has a temperature around 17,540 degrees Fahrenheit on its outer layer. The core can be 20 million degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun's outer layer can be 3.5 million degrees Fahrenheit, and its core can be 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The placement for Sirius on an HR diagram would be around the main sequence stars because it has the absolute magnitude of 1.42. And the Sun is also located in the main sequence stars because it has the absolute magnitude of 5. Sirius has a magnitude of negative 1.46, and the Sun has a magnitude of negative 26.74. The Sun is 149.6 million kilometers away from Earth. Sirius is 8.6 light years away from Earth. Sirius used to be part of the Ursa Major moving group. They shared a common motion and became an open cluster, which slowly became binary pair. The Sun was formed when a giant molecular collapsed and gave birth to many other stars too. Sirius will lose its hydrogen stored in the core in the next 10 billion years, and it will become a white dwarf. The Sun will go bigger in the next 4 to 5 billion years, 250 times bigger than its current size, and it will swallow the Earth.
You have to delete that.
Our star Sirius is likely to share the same fate as the Sun because both have medium masses. So they will go through the same life and death process, but at different passes in times because they are not the same size or age. Right now, Sirius is a red giant and the Sun is a main sequence star. So their evolution of the life of a main sequence star is a red giant, to the planetary nebula, to a white dwarf, and finally a black dwarf. There is a chance that Sirius A could support an Earth-like planet, but only if it was at the correct distance from an Earth-like planet. If it was just a little bit off, it could dramatically affect the planet's natural resources. Also, Sirius is a binary pair, so having two suns, they would make it more difficult for survival of the planet. Sirius B is the same size as Earth, but is a white dwarf, so it can't support an Earth-like planet.